In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create a 2D consistent character with AI. So first of all, we need to go to Noboats AI. The link of this site is going to be in the comment section. And once you arrive here, you need to create an account. After that, you will arrive here, and here we have to go to the image section. Now we have to go to settings, and here we're going to use the model GPT-Image 2. Here we're going to create only one image, so let's put one. And here I'm going to use the following prompt. As an spoiler, the image that we're going to create is very similar to this one and this other. And now I want to explain you a little bit this prompt. The first part is a description of the draw of the character. As you can see, I put that I want a hand-drawn 2D animation style. Then, for example, I put that I want a man of 27 years old and more information about the character and the style of the drawing. Then here, I explain a little bit how I want to be the grid divided. For example, the first image is an image of the character in front. Here, the third image is an image of the character sitting, and the other two, well, the description, you have it here. Finally, here I say something very important that is about the consistency of the character. So finally, let's click here, and now we have to wait more or less 1 to 2 minutes. Perfect, here we have the image, and as you can see, perfect. Here we have the image of the character, and now this type of image could be very useful to do, for example, what I did in the last tutorial. In this case, I created this image like a Pixar style, and then with that image, I created this video. So let's see it.
Did you know you can create animated videos with AI in minutes? I'll show you exactly how. Link in my profile.
And well, with that image, you could make things very similar to this one. So I hope you liked this video, and before finishing the video, I want to remember you that you can try Noboats AI for just $1. With that, you can do a video like this one, an image like the video, an image like the one we did, and many things. So I recommend you to try it, and then if you don't like it, you can just cancel anytime. So well, after saying that, if you have any doubts, you can comment in the comment section, and see you in the next video.